Hello friends, in this chapter we are going to start A-level mathematics function. The definition is a function is the rules that assign each element in a set domain to exactly one element in the another set, that is range. So all the input, that is A, is it's a domain, and the output we will get after the function, it will be a range. So a notation of a function is f. F is a function a to b. F is a function from a to b, and y equal to fx, or fx equal to y. So f of x, we can read this f of x. And what is the domain and range? Domain and range set the set of all the possible input value x for which the function is defined, and the set is all the output value of y that the function can take. So value of y is a range and the value of x is a domain. For example, fx equal to 2x plus 1 if the domain is x belongs to R and range is y belongs to R. So again we will discuss what is the type of function. So we have different type of function, like linear function fx equal to mx plus c, where m is not equal to 0, a graph of a straight line. Then we have a quadratic function like fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, the graph is a parabola. And a polynomial function fx an x to the power n and an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 a0, where n is a non-negative integer. And rational function fx equal to px of by qx, that is a rational function. Then we will see composite function. If a and g are the two functions, the composite function f of g, read as f of g, is defined as f of gx. So we can write f of gx. We can also write this. So fx equal to this one, gx equal to x square minus 3. So f of g fx equal to, we can say fg, we will put the gx value in this part fx. So f gx is this one, x cube minus 3, and we will put the in place of 2x plus 1. So it will be 2x square minus 3 plus 1. So we will calculate after that this one. So note, in general f of g not equal to g of f. And then we will discuss inverse function. If a function is a 1 like injective function, it has an inverse function denoted by f inverse. Property f of inverse of x is x. Inverse of inverse function of fx equal to x, and domain of f inverse is a range of f. Range of f inverse equal to domain of f. Okay, so how will you find the inverse function? First we need to put y equal to fx. Suppose here is a fx, so we need fx equal to y, and this is a y equal to 3x minus 1. Then we will change the variable, y is a change into x and x into change into y, and then we will find the value of y. So it will be 2 is plus here, and this is a 3y, and after changing the value, y equal to x plus 2 by 3. So and y, in this part y we will write here, that will be f inverse x plus 2 by 3. And the graph of a function, like a graph of a function y equal to fx is the set of the point like f comma fx in the Cartesian plane. For inverse function, the graph of y equal to fx and y equal to f inverse x are this symmetric about the line y equal to x. So this is y equal to x, this is the line you can see, and this is a symmetry, and this is a y equal to x square, and this is a y equal to under root x. So fx equal to x square and f inverse is a under root x. So both are the inverse symmetry about the this line y equal to x. Then transformation of the function, like let y equal to fx be a given function, like transformation resulting function shift up by a unit a, like y equal to fx plus a, shift down by unit minus a, and fx plus a shift left up, and this is up and down, and this is left unit of a and right unit of b. Then y equal to k fx is stretched parallel to y axis by k, and this is stretched parallel to x axis by k. and reflection in x-axis like y equal to minus fx, reflection in the y-axis, that is fx minus x. Practice is key to master function. An important point: a function must have exactly one output for each input. Not all the relation are function. To check if a function is a graph is a function, use the vertical line test. One function, each horizontal line cut the graph at once. So each horizontal line is cutted by 1. Okay. If you like this kind of notes, please comment and suggest me on what topic you want to see the videos. I will surely provide. If you like, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day.